All right, this is the field inspection. We have two drivers. One of them isn't here at the moment, but you'll see in the robot videos there's only ever two people standing over in the driver area.
Coach.
We also have a coach. He's not here as well. Same thing. Then there's human player over there.
All right. Yep, and that covers the first rule, which is that there's a required coach and two optional drivers, and a human player is optional. All right. Driver station consists only of one Android device.
This is driver station. We have Android phone,
And
controllers through hub.
I don't know what generation phone that is, but it is a Moto. On the back?
It's a Motorola. Oh,
Robot controller Android device, if used, is one of the following models: Motorola Moto G 2nd generation, Moto G 3rd generation, Moto G4 Play, Moto G5, Moto G5 Plus, Moto E4, Moto E5.
it's the same phone that we've used every other year.
Yeah, this has been used every year. So, driver station Android device USB interface is only connected to either a mini USB or OTG cable, or a combination of cables connected to one USB hub or one gamepad.
One USB hub.
We run it through an OTG, two USB hub, and to two gamepads, which is no more than one optional commercial off-the-shelf USB external battery connected to the driver station USB hub is allowed. We do not use an external battery. The driver station consists of no more than two of the allowed gamepads, and as you can see, we have two, and these are Logitech F310s. The touch display screen of the driver station must be accessible and visible to field personnel. Android operating system satisfies the requirements, and we have our operating system up to date. Rev Control Hub, if used, operating system is version 1.11 or higher. Yes, it is up to date. Rev Expansion Hub, the firmware is 1.82 or higher. 1.8.2, sorry, and yes, that's up to date. Android phones are set to airplane mode, Wi-Fi is turned on, and Bluetooth is turned off. Get this right here, as you can see. Airplane mode is on, Bluetooth is off, and Wi-Fi is on and connected to our robot. Rev Control Hub, if used, has Wi-Fi turned on, Bluetooth is turned off, and the password is different than the factory default value password. This is all true. I'm not sure if the phone will tell me its password, but the password is, well, not the default.
Let's not show our password.
Yeah, you know what, that would probably be a better idea. Don't trust that. All right. Android devices are not connected to any local networks. As you can see from the top, it was connected to FTC 6448, that is our Control Hub's network. Android phones and Rev Control Hub, if used, are named with the official team number followed by DS or RC as appropriate. You can see up there, 6448, DS. All remembered Wi-Fi direct groups and Wi-Fi connections on Android devices have been removed. If you look on our Wi-Fi page, we have only one network and the rest do not say saved, they're just blank. No remembered networks in there. DS and RC apps are version 6.0 or higher, and the DS or RC apps have the same version numbers. We only have a driver station and it is up to date. Communication between the robot and driver station is only through the RC and DS applications. Yes. Yeah. Driver station uses the official FTC driver station app to control the robot, and as you can see, we do. We do not have, the FTC robot controller app on the Android phone. We do not use an Android phone on our robot, but it would be the default application. Robot controller is set to the correct Wi-Fi channel.
We don't use that.
That's not required by the competition because we're not at a competition. Robot controller connects with the driver station. And as you can see, it is connected right now, and we will display that in a second. Robot switches between autonomous and driver controlled operation correctly. I'm just going to run part of our autonomous and stop it midway through. So this may look a little strange. As you can see, we can initialize our robot. Nothing moves. And when we click play, it begins to move. We can also stop it when we need to. I can now switch it to go build a chassis teleop, our teleop, I'm sorry. And if I init our teleop and press play, it'll run just fine. I can move the robot, and if necessary, stop it. I've now lost control of the robot and is not going to do anything. And that covers the next few checks, which are that the robot stops and starts when commanded by the driver station. The stop button when pressed on the driver station functions and stops the robot, and the team understands how to disable their robot if instructed to do so by a referee. So that was all demonstrated right there. Team understands that software changes are not allowed in the queue area. We cannot change our software in the queue area. Team understands that the match schedule is only an estimate. we don't have a schedule to deal with, but we would understand that if we did. Team knows that they are responsible for attaching their team supplied alliance markers on two sides of the robot as they approach the competition playing field. And we do.
I seen there.
That's it.
All right.